right, so we're back. We looped around. We're back a little bit by Summerfest grounds. We're a little bit to the west of it now.
In 500 feet, turn left to take the Interstate 794 East ramp.
And we're just going to hop on the interstate here quick. Oh, we're sitting in the middle of the intersection here. All right, they cleared out. That works. We're just going to hop on the interstate here quick and go down to a little bit south of Milwaukee, and there's kind of a weird loop situation, like a weird loop and a roundabout back to back. So we'll probably speed through this footage if nothing interesting happens until we get down there. Okay, so this will be interesting. We got a left on ramp and we got a green arrow, so we need to go.
What's that car doing?
I don't really know. They're just going the wrong way there, right? And it's confusing us.
Yeah.
So that car just went around, and that's what we're supposed to be doing here. But there's just a car just in the way. So I'm just going to take over once this light turns to yellow, but we don't seem to be doing anything here. I'll give it a little accelerator, and yeah, I'm going to just disengage because, and there's a car behind us. All right, so is that police? What is this?
It's just like, I don't know.
Just a guy sitting there? Okay. Interesting choice, guy. All right, well,
Milwaukee.
We're back on the road. But we've got a weird loop here. I don't really know what the purpose of it is.
So we go up on that bridge?
We'll find out, I guess.
Now bear right.
All right. You're going a little fast there. Yeah, all right. A car really close behind us. A weird little stop sign that I don't really know if that's for us or not.
Looks like it's stopping.
Nice.
Little California stop there. Oh,
Okay.
oh.
I don't know if it was going to hit that curb, but we were really, really darn
500
close.
feet, bear right towards South Bay Street.
I was doing so well, and then just right into the curb, I guess.
I don't know what it... I mean...
It was very clear.
Yeah.
Ow. Okay. Is that where we're supposed to go? Yep.
Looks so, yeah.
All right, let's go back.
Turn right onto East Lincoln Avenue. Now turn left onto East Bay Street.
Sorry, everyone. That was just... There's a lot going on there. I don't know if I had to disengage there, but I wasn't exactly clear on where we were heading.
Well, I have my arm jumped across the dash. I don't know.
Yeah,
Maybe
you were like
even...
reflective mom, like over there. Was this gonna be a U-turn?
Stay on South Lincoln
Got a
Memorial.
U-turn?
Oh, baby. Oh, unable to complete maneuver. No!
We broke the system.
I'm just gonna accelerate it here. Luckily, there are no cars around.
All right.
Hey, hey!
There we go.
Autopilot creeping forward, checking for visibility.
So this is tough.
Yeah, another
Nice.
weird intersection, but it did well. Yeah, and I don't think... Interesting, okay. Yeah, so it gave it a little bit of space. I did have to give it some accelerator to just convince it that it was okay to do the maneuver, but then it seemed like it was just going to take a left turn. And it kind of took the U-turn as basically like 2 consecutive left turns instead of just a U-turn, but I mean, it still did it.
In 500
I wouldn't have let it do it if there were cars around, but
South Bay Street.
did okay.
Yeah, that was awesome to see.
Yeah.
And it's cool that it said unable to perform the maneuver at first, but then it was like I don't know, the closer it got or the further into the U-turn it got, it was like, okay, I got this.
Yeah.
Okay. So it did.
Okay, so all right, which I think that's what it was doing last time. So I guess that's on me, but like that was a very sharp maneuver. We got a stop sign here. Are you gonna stop? Apparently not. Okay. I'm gonna turn around and do that again. I'm so confused here. Dang it.
Maybe just U-turn up here? Or we were on that on-ramp though, weren't we?
I think we can... God damn, it's so confusing.
Maybe just U-turn where we did before.
Why is this part of Milwaukee so confusing? Like, what is that for? What is this? Alright, we've got the craziest navigation set up right now. And I have no idea what it's going to do, but we'll see. We're going
coming in
pretty
hot.
fast.
In 500 feet, turn right onto South Car Ferry Drive. Now turn right onto South Car Ferry Drive.
Huh.
So we're going a different way this time. I don't really know what this is, but there seems to just be a lot of big loops in this area of Milwaukee.
Somebody was drinking in city planning.
I guess so. Someone that loves loops. Alright, I mean, it's doing well right now. Feels very sure of itself. Changing lanes to follow route. Okay, it's fine. Does that just take us back where we were, though? I'm just...
Go right.
Dude, I feel like a rounded dizzy bat.
Dizzy Beta.
Dizzy Beta.
Alright, so autopilot pause waiting for turn with the blue car. Okay, which is good.
Nice.
Perfect. Now we got kind of a sharp,
Right.
weird other loop here again. Did we take... We might have taken this one before. Yeah, we took this before. Comes in a little hot. Yeah, corrects. It might stop a little bit here. Yep, okay.
Oh, this is actually where we had the disengagement.
Yes,
before.
it is.
And the stop
And
sign.
the weird stop sign. So it sees the stop sign. It's not giving us any line to stop it, okay? Please don't hit the curb this time, Tesla.
It's still...
I mean, I took over earlier that time, but just because of what happened last time, felt like we were heading down the same route.
Yeah.
In 500
What
feet,
I mean,
bear right towards
something I was
South
able to
Bay
see
Street.
that time, there's no lane line up until basically this bike lane abruptly
Until that,
starts.
like, appears. Yeah.
So it's like it's searching for the right
The
part of
curb.
the lane. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so we got this roundabout thing here again. Alright. Doesn't do the best at that, and if there were cars by us, it would
turn right
be
onto East Lincoln
confusing. Is it going to run this again?
Okay, that was interesting. I was watching the visual and it didn't see it, but once it saw it, then it started slowing down. So it did pick it up just a little
yeah.
late.
I guess it was okay.
Now turn right onto East Lincoln Avenue.
I mean, it should have stopped earlier, but it's, I guess maybe not technically illegal.
There's no line for it to technically stop at, so...
Yeah, some weird stop signs out here. I don't even know where we're trying to go here. I guess we finally got through that loop that we needed. I mean, we turned around a couple times, but